Hi, I'm Talisha, technician from Malaysia.com. Here is the MacBook Air 13-inch. It's repaired already from Mr. Imam here. Okay, let us check and see, is it all functioning? Okay, this is Mr. Imam sent to us from Fernando, and then this is the serial number here. So we need to counter check whether it's correct or not. Okay, here the serial number is C02H8CDUDZWT. So we counter check with here C02H8CDUDZWT. Okay, confirm correct already. So right now we see that the trackpad is functioning, and then here Apple logo light also functioning. Okay, we test charging here. Okay, here got the light, green light showing here, and here also showing. Okay, it's charging. Okay, after that we test the volume. Okay, adjustable. Okay, Wi-Fi also turn on already. Bluetooth can turn off. Right now I turn on back. Okay, then we test the Wi-Fi and see. So we go to Safari. Okay, it's functioning. Right now we test the volume and see. Okay, play and see. Okay, become full screen. Okay, we test the volume button. It's functioning. The light is even changed like that. Okay, it's functioning. Okay, after that we check with headphone jack. Again and that's the headphone jack. So right now I'm testing with headphone jack. Okay, it's functioning. So I test the volume, also functioning. Okay, so I take it out, unplug it. Okay, after that I test with the USB cable here, see whether function or not, the USB port. Okay, that's with myself. This one I plug in and connect to my iPhone. It's charging. Okay, after that that's this one. Go to iTunes and see. Okay, it's my name, Talisha. So it's connecting. Okay, right now I just exit out. That means this USB port is functioning. So I unplug it and that's the other side. Okay, it's charging also. Then it shows it's my phone. Okay, it's detecting. So I eject out. Okay. Okay. So I will play the song just now. This one. This one. If I press play. Mute also functioning. Okay, stop. Play again. So mute is functioning. Okay. Then after that, we go to photo booth to test the camera. So it's functioning. We test one and see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the camera is functioning, so I delete it. Okay. Okay, and turn it off. Then go to the FaceTime. Okay, FaceTime also can turn on already. Then right now we test again with the test edit. So we test all the keypad. Q W E R T Y U I O P A S D F G H J K L Z X C V B N N, comma, full stop. All is functioning. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 0. Okay, then I test delete. So the keypad is functioning. Okay, just delete it so don't save. Okay, so that's it. Right now I try to shut down and see. Okay, so it's functioning, and then turn on back. Okay, so I tap again. Okay, so it's okay. Mr. Imam, hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Okay.